Is it an alien ship, a comet? Scientists and researchers are left puzzled.
First contact has happened, but it's not what you think. CERN transmitted a signal to an interstellar object, 3I Atlas, and it responded in 9 minutes.
Their collider to open up a portal to communicate with extraterrestrial beings. Well, and one of them are the occupants from 3I Atlas.
That's a round trip faster than light, and it's just the start of the mystery. The return signal wasn't a greeting, it was a complex mathematical proof. A proof for what, you ask? A technology that would make our most advanced physics look like child's play. What many overlooked is that the message didn't just say, "We are here." It told us where they are going next, and it might be closer than you think. Why 9 minutes is a terrifying number. The team settled in for a long, tense wait. Coffee was brewed and the low hum of the machinery filled the control room. Based on the comet's position, over 80 million miles away at that moment, the laws of physics were crystal clear. A round trip for a radio signal traveling at the speed of light should take about 15 minutes each way. 30 minutes total, give or take a few seconds. They expected at best a faint, degraded echo of their own signal half an hour later. Most believed they would get nothing at all, but that's not what happened. Exactly 9 minutes and 22 seconds after their transmission cut off, the receivers lit up with a jolt. It was a clean, powerful, and unbelievably complex signal coming directly from the trajectory of 3E Atlas. The control room was plunged into a stunned silence. A 9-minute reply was impossible. It violated Einstein's theory of relativity, the absolute speed limit of the universe. It was like receiving a letter in the mail from someone on the other side of the planet just 9 minutes after you sent yours. It simply could not happen. The initial shock gave way to frantic energy as alarms blared, not from an error, but from a signal strength so high it was off the charts. Every sensor was checked, every diagnostic was run. There was no error. The signal was real. The source was locked on 3I Atlas. And the message itself? It was pure mathematics, but on a scale that dwarfed their simple prime number sequence. The object hadn't just said hello back. It had replied with a complex data stream that started with a sequence defining the fine structure constant, a fundamental constant of physics, to a degree of precision hundreds of times greater than humanity had ever calculated. It was a display of knowledge so advanced it was like a caveman receiving a schematic for a smartphone. The thing nobody tells you is that this immediate, impossible reply wasn't a greeting. It was a statement of superiority. 3I Atlas, or whatever was controlling it, hadn't just heard the whisper, it had answered with a roar. The return numbers were more than just a physics lesson.